Very good morning children. Welcome back to our English class. Children, in the previous class we have learnt vowel sound words. Vowel sound words. So in this class we are going to learn vowel sound words with phonic sounds. Vowel sound words with phonic sounds. So all of you learn these phonic sounds and practice the phonic sounds of these words. So all of you get ready children. All of you practice the phonic sound of these words. In the last class we have learnt all the spellings. See, all these words we have learnt. In the last class we have learnt all these spellings. Look at here. Look at here children. All these words we have learnt in the last class. What are these? These all are vowel words. Vowel words. See children, these all are vowel words. In this class we are going to learn phonic sounds for these words. Phonic sounds. Children, I'll read the phonic sounds for these words. All of you listen carefully. See children, you have learnt all the phonic sounds A to Z, isn't it? So all of you read with me also, or otherwise say with me. B, a, y. Boy. B, o, y. Boy. What is this picture? It's a top. T, a, p. Top. T, a, p. Top. The next picture is, what is this picture? Box. Box. B, a, x. Box. B, a, x. Box. What is the next picture? Pot. P, a, t. Pot. P, a, t. Pot. P, a, t. Pot. The next picture, what is this picture? It's a pet animal. Dog. D, o, g. Dog. D, o, g. Dog. And the next picture, what he is doing? He is crying. See, crying also called as sob. Sob. Sometimes you will cry for a chocolate, isn't it? That is called sob. S or s. S, o, b. Sob. S, a, b. Sob. S, a, b. Sob. Now see this picture. What is this? It's a log. L, a, g. Log. Otherwise you can say la, a, g. Log. L, a, g. Log. What is this? What is this picture? Cot. K, o, t. Cot. K, o, t. Cot. See children, what is this picture? It's a fox. F, a, x. Fox. F, a, x. Fox. And what is this? It's a rod. It's a rod. R, a, d. Rod. Otherwise you can say the r, a, d. Rod. R, a, d. Rod. Next, see on this frog some dots are here. Dots. Dot. Dot. D-a-t. Dot. D-a-t. Dot. Next, what is this picture? It's a mop. Mop. Look at here. Mop. Mop. M-a-p. Mop. M-a-p. Mop. Otherwise you can say M-a-p. Mop. M-a-p. Mop. Once again I'll say all the phonic sounds. All of you listen carefully. B-a-y. Boy. T-a-p. Top. And B-a-x. Box. P-a-t. Pot. D-o-g. Dog. S-o-b. Sob. Otherwise S-o-b. Sob. Log. L-a-g. Log. L-a-g also you can say. K-a-t. Cot. F-a-x. Fox. Also you can say F-a-x. Fox. Rod. R-a-d. Rod. Otherwise R-a-d. Rod. Dot. D-a-t. Dot. Mop. M-a-p. Mop. Otherwise M-a-p. Mop. So these are the phonic sounds for the O vowel words. See children, in every word O is here. See. O. And in top O. Box O. Pot O. Dog O. Sob O. Log O. Cot O. Fox O. And C. Rod O. And dot O. Mop O. So this is the O sound vowel words. O vowel sound words. So all of you learn the phonic sounds for these words. Children, today all of you practice the phonic sounds of those words. Tomorrow I will give you the written work. Until then, take care. Bye bye.